You might not know this, but Canva recently added an AI voice generator, and it's shockingly easy to use. If you've never tried an AI voice tool before, this could be the game changer you didn't know you needed. I've been using Canva to create videos with for over 5 years, and this is one of the most interesting tools they've rolled out, especially for creators, educators, and even small business owners. In this video, I'll show you exactly how it works and where to find it so you can start using it in your own projects, even if you've never touched AI before. Let's get started. Okay, today I'm going to talk to you about Canva's new AI voice generator. Right now, I'm inside Canva using a free account. You can tell it's free because it's asking me to start a trial for the paid version. Now, Canva offers this new feature and it's really easy to use. I'll show you right now. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using it as if I were making a video, but you could also use this if you want to make a presentation or something like that. But for now, I'll pick landscape. And now you see I'm in the new video editor. Let's go to Elements and search for something to use in this example video. I think I'll search for landscape, then go to videos and pick a few pretty landscapes. So I'll just put this in here like that, and right off, I made a mistake. Sorry, I'm used to using my paid account, but in this free, this is a paid resource. See the crown on it? Meaning it's a paid video. So I'm gonna get rid of it and find a free one. Let's use this one. I'll put it in there just like that. While I'm here, I'm gonna actually put a few different free videos in here. How about this one? I'm gonna choose this one too. Okay, so now I've got 4 videos. Next, I'm gonna add some speaking right down here as these videos are being watched. So I'll go back to Elements up here. Since I'm using a free account, I'll search for audio, and here we go. So right now, what we're gonna talk about today is generating AI voices here inside Canva. I'll click on that, and here we are inside the AI voice generator. All right, so a few things to note. Right here, you can add in up to 1,000 characters. You can always experiment. So that's about the equivalent of about 150 to 200 words. So that gives you some idea. I've already got something prepared. I'll paste it in there, and I'll move this right back here. These are paid, and these with the crown, those are paid voices.
Canva's AI voice tool lets you choose from a variety of voices and generate a voiceover in seconds.
Canva's AI voice tool lets you choose from a variety of voices and generate a voiceover in seconds.
Okay, these are the 2 free voices here. So you've got your pick. If you have a paid account, you can use any of voices. If you're on a free account, you have to use the free ones. I want to show you right here, if you click on this, you've got access to many different languages, such as Italian, Korean, Polish, or any of these other voices that are listed here. For English, there are 3 different dialects you can choose from: Australian, United Kingdom, and United States. For example, if you click on that, you'll see the different voice characters. Here are the paid ones, and here are the free ones. Canva's AI voice tool lets you choose from a variety of AI voices, so you can see how it works. For example, if we were to choose any of those, whichever one we choose, you'll see there'll be a check there, and that way you'll know which option you chose. But what if we wanted to do something else? If you click on one of these others, you'll see the names change. These are the paid ones, these are the free ones. Canva's AI voice tool lets you choose from a variety of voices and generate a voiceover in seconds. For now, I'm gonna pick English for this video since I'm using a free account. I'll choose Lisa. Now it's actually making it, and you see it's added it right there. It'll always add it right beside your playhead, so wherever you put that, that is where the voice will actually be added to start. So let me show you. In this case, I'll play it. Then we could take this and shorten it up a little bit. There we go. And I'll move this over. And then for the second one, I'm gonna take this and put it right up here. I'll change it. This time, I'm gonna choose Ralph. Now it's making it. There it is. I'll shrink that up just a little bit, then go right here to fix the next one. So there you go. Now you know the process and have seen how easy it is to use Canva's own AI voice generator. Have fun experimenting with it.
And if you love finding out about crazy cool AI tricks before everyone else, subscribe now so you're the first to know when new AI tools drop. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching.